from last week. We do have the calendar up here now. And I made a small update to the calendar after I posted it online, so people should be able to see that now. Reminder to everyone to turn off your sound if you're not asking a question or anything. I can actually mute everyone here. So last week we did the these lectures. Where's my highlighter? We did these lectures, and online you should have versions of these lectures, the S ones, so you should be able to watch those on YouTube right now. And then on Tuesday we did this data cleaning lecture, and that's the one that I'm missing the screen share from. So I'll try and figure out why that happened. We'll see how this one goes today too, but like I said, I'm making another recording of my own screen, so hopefully this will be less likely. We will definitely get it all worked out this week. We can go to WebEx if needed, but this one's nice because it has the chat built in and everything. I realized that this other topic was not this lecture B topic here on summarizing was not posted, so we'll make sure to post the slides for that. And if we have time in these two lectures, I can talk about them a bit too, but they're not too complicated. So I can post the slides up and people can read it. It's really just some other basic methods for summarizing and maybe some slightly more complicated ones that are useful to use. So those are all the first weeks, and what we're going to start today is talking about this, the latest one here, so lecture 2A, so supervised learning, and then where's B? It got missed again. There's an update to the calendar. I was missing 2B, so we're having another lecture on tomorrow, and I will update that topic in there because it got missed out in my first pass. When I was posting it the first time. But it doesn't really matter right now. So we'll have that up there. So today we're going to start talking about this classification, and if we, oh right, it's about performance evaluation. So these slides for the next topic are the other one that's supposed to be for tomorrow. So if we finish this early with classification, I might just start this because it's a bit more numerical. And these are all things we'll want you to use for your first assignment. And like I said on Piazza, just to give us a bit more time to kind of get that first assignment up and running, we're going to release the first two assignments on Wednesdays and have them due back on Wednesdays. And so you have a couple more days to start that. Okay, let's see if any other questions. Yeah, I'm posting the recording from Bongo to YouTube kind of worked for the first lecture, so hopefully we can keep doing that. We will have a lecture tomorrow, yes. Oh, people's audio, I mean, oh, okay. So a bunch of people having audio problems. It could be people should see if their settings, I guess if their data is one issue, but if some of your classes are fine and others, and this one isn't, then yeah, that would be an issue. Some people say the sound is fine here. Let me just make sure I'm using my right microphone. Yeah. We can do a poll even. Leave this poll. Is the poll, okay, I'm asking, is the audio good? Is your audio working? Yes or no? That's what the poll is asking. Yeah, the recorded lectures is the thing that I'm going to try to make sure that is working, so that we always have them. And a lot of people seem to like having it available on YouTube, so we can have them posted there for sure, all of them. Just a matter of getting the video out, right? And so if you take a look at the lecture 1 that I did, I redid the I took the Bongo lecture and extracted it out and just put it all in one video. So as long as that works for everybody, then that's good. All right, let me just get this in the right window so I can see your guys' questions and this at the same time. There we go. Yeah, I like to have the questions interactive as people can ask as we're going, at least for some of it, so we can slow things down and get that chance. But we'll also have office hours near the ends of the weeks on Thursdays or Fridays with the TAs and myself for people who have specific questions. So one of the things is the houses we're set up. So the class has been divided into 3 groups, the houses. I know some people haven't been added yet. I'll get that this afternoon. There's a bunch of you who weren't on Piazza yet, so we'll get that in. But each house will have a dedicated office hour, so you have an office hour with the smaller part of the class where you can ask questions if you can make that time. And if you can't make the time for your house, you could go to one of the other ones if needed. You can also just talk to us directly to arrange chats at a time that makes sense for you if Piazza can't work. Given the time zone spread for this course, we're really going to need to try to do different things. So we're just getting set up as we're talking about logistics and videos. So let's get started on the topic.